Hey there, today we're going to look at how to reset your G fridge. So let's get started. First, unplug the refrigerator. Over here, turn off the fridge by unplugging it from the wall and wait for about 5 minutes to clear the control board's memory. After that, plug it back in and make sure it's getting power. You might hear the compressor or fan start running. Then reset it from the control panel. Press and hold the energy saver and alarm buttons together for about 10 seconds. Some models may use lighting and lock instead. The display will blink or beep to confirm the reset. Next, for models with a reset or reboot button, locate the small reset switch inside the fridge and hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds. After that, reset the ice maker if needed. Open the freezer, find the ice maker power switch or test button, then turn it off and on or press the test button once. Wait a few minutes until you hear a click or water sound. Then set the temperature to 37 degrees Fahrenheit for the fridge and 0 degrees Fahrenheit for the freezer and give it a few hours to stabilize. If the reset doesn't work, check the outlet and circuit breaker, clean the condenser coils, and make sure the door seals are tight. If it's still not cooling, the thermostat or control board might be faulty and may need professional service. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.